Hello everyone, Don for Resolute Outdoors here. Today I wanted to go over a budget lightweight hand stop for your AR-15 rifle. So what we're looking at here is, this is a like a budget lightweight build of mine, but what I found out that works great as a budget hand stop is just your Magpul pick rail. That's all you need really. I really fitted this up originally on this rifle to put a bipod on just to sight it in. I mean, this philosophy in this rifle, it doesn't call for a bipod all the time, but I put that on there to have the ability to put a bipod on for sighting in. But it works out great as a hand stop. It's a good index point. For me, you have sufficient frontal area here to kind of help hold your hand. So if you put the rifle up, you can put your index finger or your pointer finger here, do your rope grip, and then you can pull it in here and kind of use that to help bring it to you a little bit more than just on the rail itself. And it's a good indexing point as well. These are made of polymer. Obviously your M-LOK rail can come in a lot of different varieties. This is the actual Magpul one. It's polymer, super lightweight, kind of fits with the philosophy of this rifle build in particular, but super nice. I like it a lot. I'm not typically one to opt for a traditional hand stop or vertical grip. This is not really something that I've ever shot with, but having the ability to kind of pull that into tight, a little bit more tight there, and a point where you can grab right away. And I have the light off of this time. It's on a different rifle at the moment, but kind of index your finger there so you can utilize the light. So that's kind of what I've been using here. Like I said, just a couple bucks. Just you get them on Amazon or wherever else. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is Don with Resolute Outdoors. Till next time, guys, I'll see you. Oh, also, by the way, if you are interested in knowing what went into this build in particular, let me know down below. I will kind of go in detail about it. This is probably one of my favorite builds, so comment down below if you're interested. Till next time, guys, see ya.